Hello guys, so it is currently 1:14 a.m. and I'm here at KLIA 2, currently waiting to board the flight to Jeddah, which is in about 3 hours from now. We already have our luggage checked in, so yeah, we're just gonna chill at the airport and wait for to board the flight. So yeah. Alright guys, so we just went to the security checks and everything, and luckily everything was okay. So now we're heading towards our airplane to board the plane and head to Jeddah. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the airplane. Okay, thank you. So I just boarded the plane and the flight is so empty, like so many seats. So yeah, I decided to go with the windows. I get to see the view at least. So, thumbs up. Alright guys, so first meal of the flight is just arrived. Nasi lemak. So I'm gonna open this and see how it is. And it also comes with a bottle of water as well. Right, let's open this bad boy. Look at that. Nasi lemak. Alright, let's give this a try. just got out of the King Abdul Aziz airport, and now we're at Terminal 1. Now we're just gonna try to find some transport to go to our place to stay, so I'll give you guys an update. Alright guys, so I finally made it to the place where I'll be staying throughout my time here in Jeddah. So I'm currently staying at Shepherdly Village. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog for today here. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as well, and leave a comment if you want me to do more vlogs, which I will probably do, but if you guys leave a comment, I'll appreciate it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.